We should talk a lot more about the importance of elite consensus for the preservation of democracy. Democracy wobbles when the elites of a country, the leaders in government, in opposition, in business and in culture can't agree on the core values and national aspirations. Think about the US during the 2020 elections. The lack of consensus among the two major political parties and influencers almost led to a constitutional crisis. Elite consensus isn't just about maintaining political power, it's about ensuring stability in the polity. When the influential figures in the society agree on the fundamental principles, a safety net is created for democracy. So next time you hear about serious political bickering in any democracy, remember, elite consensus might just be democracy's secret weapon